Okay, let's get the password, admin password of the Grafana. We have also added this command in here. You can directly execute the command. Yeah, the password is ready. Username will be admin. The password is, yeah, we don't need to save as it is a temporary. You can see we have been successfully able to log into the Grafana dashboard. You can see the profile, you can see the dashboards, you can see the home. As of now there is no dashboard, then we need to create the dashboard. Okay, let's start integrating Prometheus and Grafana. Before that we need to create a data source. For that we need to copy this URL up to the /node. We don't need to include the query. You have to copy that. Okay, then in Grafana, in home page, in dashboards you can click new. You can also create your own custom dashboard, or else you can import the existing dashboards. Most of the monitoring engineers will take advantage of already created dashboards, so we can select import. We can select import. One of the here we can add the Grafana URL or ID. This is a publicly available URL 1860. You can just add the ID and you can load. After loading it, you can name it. You can keep any name to it. I'm giving name here. And we need to select the data source. I can show you. I have already created some data source, but you can also create new one. You can select configure a new data source. It will redirect to the data connections and data source page, where there you can select Prometheus. In Prometheus you can name it, and you can add the URL here. This is the Prometheus server URL. You can see it, right? Then you can skip all this default settings. You can save the connection. You can check the connection. It is able to communicate to the Prometheus API. So it is being successful. Now it is been created. Now here you can select the, if you refresh it, and if we have to do once more, these are the custom. Now you can see Prometheus 4 is been created. Now we can just need to import it. This is the magic. You can see CPU, memory, input, output, etc. is being loaded directly from our cluster. See, this data is being getting from our cluster. Before that you are able to do only kubectl top nodes. This single command is not visualized. It is just a CLI interface, but what we have done, we have visualized it. We have converted it to a visually understandable format, right? You can select the memory basis. When you are creating resources also, that will be available here. You can create your custom dashboards. You can also view one by one, like see. You can explore this dashboard. So this is how Prometheus and Grafana works. I'll also make another video explaining visually how data flows from the pod level to the Grafana dashboard graph. Let's continue that session in another video. As of now, that's it. Thanks for your patience.